Hello and welcome to today's lecture on modeling a hybrid parts. Today we are looking at modeling a lamp holder, a table lamp holder made up of plastic and a transparent one. So this is a very common part that you can see in hotels and rooms, and that's mostly done by companies working with lighting systems and all that. Let's light up the top plane, and then we're going to offset two planes here. We offset one plane. Yeah, let's see, those first plane offset. Let's go for 80. Then second plane offset. Let's go for 30. 30. So on the top plane, let's do a sketch using a polygon. Okay. Let's set our polygon right. So okay. Let's put a center line on the polygon. Let's do a coincident relationship with the origin, and let's make our polygon horizontal, vertical. So let's set a dimension. So let's 100 there. Okay, let's be out of the polygon. Let's go to 5 and do another sketch. Let's offset the polygon. Let's offset the polygon. Oh, sorry. Offset entity, reverse direction by 10. And on the last one, let's set another sketch. Another polygon. Let's offset this one here by 5. Let's offset this one by 5. Reverse direction by 5. And let's see. Okay. Okay. Let's try to do a surface loft. Okay, we should be out of here. Surface loft between this and this. Okay, and then so let's shift so, like that. Yes. Okay. Yes. We would like to change so okay. Let's okay, let's edit this sketch, make it smaller. So 70. So that's how it looks like. Okay, that's probably okay. Alright. Okay. let's cover with the planar face. Look at the planar face. See, we can let's see, try it. Start here. Let's start here. Oh, that one should be out. That should be out. Oh no, that one should be in. That one should be out. No, it should be out. So face is complete. One, 6 faces, 6 edges. I mean. So let's also cover these edges. Okay, let's also do a planar face here. I can't like this one there. So let's hide the planes. So convert to knit. Okay. Press solid and match. All surfaces selected. Okay. Let's do a surface that will be used. At this point, we can still make some adjustment if we want. We can go to sketch, the first sketch, if we want to make it a little bit oblong, and reduce that sketch to 60. It picks up the other sketches along because they were offset. So that's why the offset looks pretty better to work with. It looks something better. So we'll do a sketch here for the surface that will be used as a cut. A center line going through the origo to the other end. An arc. Okay, we set a symmetry here. We don't want the arc to be too deep into the part, so that's okay. We just set one side of the dimension and it will be fully defined. Okay, so we can set so, and then we'll set the size of the arc to be fully defined to 20. 20 splotch, so come down to 18. Oh, okay, so, let's see here. Let's get this first. Right, if we use, oh, that's deeper, and then expand this a little bit. Okay, there has been okay, that's really okay. Going to when it's okay. It's right there. and then we'll do another sketch here. We'll do an arc, a smaller arc. This will be used for a face, a surface that will be used for a cut, to give it some kind of feature. Okay, so we still do the same thing. Okay, yeah, I think this should pretty work here. So we have to either convert entity in this, then convert it to a construction line, then set it in symmetry, or we could also do it a different way. Set it in symmetry. Then this is the, we can convert this entity and lost these two together by coincidence. So, and then we just have to put one more dimension, how long we want it. We can make it a bit fanciful. So let's say it goes this way. It's okay. So we cancel this dimension. So we and so we come out of this sketch. We want a sketch in these directions that was going to act as the guide curve. So to do that, we can add one more plane, reference plane, where we want to take this reference plane should pass through here and reach at this point, and then we can put up a sketch on it. So we can say use a spline line. We can highlight, because right now we'd like to see this plane, and we like to see this plane too. So we can sketch. So okay, now we can do a piece relationship, because we are guide curve. That sketch, we set it in normal to view how this curve is. Here we can make a little bit of fancy depending on exactly what we want, but I mean we'll just keep it simple and easy in these tutorials. Okay, so now we convert it to a surface, convert this yeah, to a surface extrude yeah, into direction. No, oh sorry, we made a mistake there. We already was working on something and I want to extrude. Okay, that's out of the way. I felt okay, but it does not. Let's use a surface loft and make a bit of control here. This, no, it's not the edge. On my mouse, that sketch and the sketch, and then we want to use this, make a cut and to make a surface loft. Okay, then we hide the solid and do a bit of extensions so we can be able to use it as a cut. Surface extend, there are two options. We have the extension type, we will prefer linear, so we'll be out of the sketch pretty well. Let's see whether we'll be out of the sketch. If we're out of the sketch, we can do a cut. But I don't know till we light up the. Okay, so we need to extend it a bit more. So if we go 20, are we out of the sketch? No, we go one more up. We should be out of the sketch now. So okay, we now use it to cut. So insert cut, cut with surface. We're cutting with this surface, and we in this direction. So we had our surface and check how the cut was. Cut pretty okay, but I mean a bit of debris left in, so we have to remove those debris. So use face, delete and patch. We could do this one way, one other way. We could go back first and insert an axis first and copy that through a pattern, circular pattern revolve first. But we need an axis, an axis to be able to do that. So we go back to feature here, and then add a reference axis. So then come back and then add a circular pattern of this our feature. So use this one, this axis, and then we want this under the surface and faces. We are copying the surface, 6 pieces of it, equal spacing, everything, view previews. Okay, all right. Okay, then we can use insert face delete. So we want to delete this face and patch. Use delete and patch should work well, and be careful where what we select. We can do auto select too, but the tutorial today is not about auto select in part, so let's do it manually. Just be careful that we're selecting the correct parts of the feature. So if everything is done and selected, so we go back and look at our parts. Then one thing that we need to do is that we have to fillet this part before we shell it, so it's going to come out right. We want to fillet it around 5 mm. We're also going to do that manually, so it's going to be right. Yeah, so we cannot get what we are doing here. So we'll select it manually. Yeah, that's done. The last edge is that 6 edges done. We apply, fillet, that's good. Now we shell it. So we go to shell. We want 2 mm shock thickness. We share this part out. We share this face out. These two faces. So we preview. That's correct. We are not shelling at all. We're shelling inward, so that's pretty good. Okay, now we save here. So you can see the part is ready as the plastic light cover for the table lamp. We can add a bit of should I call it fancy? So So this which we now want the solid body to be transparent, like a glass, plastic, transparent plastic, and then yeah, we can hide some features and some planes and some axes. So, so thank you very much for today, and bye bye. See you next time.